Next to video 3. So hyperconjugation in free radicals. Hyperconjugation in free radicals. Free radicals. So hyperconjugation in free radicals, if you see, uh, with respect to radical carbon mean a group of atoms which are containing carbon with the odd number of single electron. They are called free radicals. In the case of free radicals also, this is the free radical. With respect to this free radical, the directly attached carbon to this carbon, the directly attached carbon is alpha, this is alpha hydrogen. Again here, the homolytic cleavage takes place. Homolytic cleavage means equal bond cleavage. Now carbon dot already exists and this carbon here due to homolytic cleavage again here free radical and hydrogen also free radical. So this free radical forms a bond. So I am writing bond. So here the overlapping of alpha carbon hydrogen sigma bonded electrons with the p orbital. Here is p orbital is present. So that is called hyperconjugation. Here also 3 alpha hydrogens, 3 hyperconjugations. Now so these are about hyperconjugation, inductive effect and also mesomeric effects. Now we will discuss the stability of carbocations. So if you see the stability of carbocations, so first you know that methyl carbocation, then after alkyl, then after secondary carbocation, then after tertiary carbocation. So here methyl, this is primary carbocation, secondary carbocation, tertiary carbocation, methyl carbocation. So from left to right, the stability, if you see, stability increases because here hydrogens does not donate electrons, but here R mean plus I group, plus inductive effect, it is donating electron. So stability increases. Positive charge always in the chemistry, if charges are decreases, if more dispersal of charges, more stable, more dispersal of charges, more stable. So in this case R will be decreases the positive charge by donating electrons. It can be donate electrons. So positive charge decreases, that means dispersal of charge. So here both side 2 alkyl groups, both side plus 2 plus I effects, both can be donates electrons and positive fastly disperse. And here 3 sides, so 3 inductive effective groups, so fastly donates. So positive charge fastly disperse. So the carbocation stability, if you see, always methyl carbocation is less stable than primary carbocation, then after secondary carbocation, then after tertiary carbocation. These are the stability. And also stability is also explained with the hyperconjugation also. If hyperconjugation, if you see same case, hyperconjugation, here positive charge and here methyl CH2 plus and here CH3 plus and here CH3 plus. So with respect to this, there is no alpha carbon, no alpha hydrogen, so no hyperconjugation. But with respect to positive charge carbon, this is alpha carbon, there are 3 alpha hydrogens. So 3 alpha hydrogens mean 3 hyperconjugations. Here alpha, there are 6 alpha hydrogens, 6 hyperconjugations. Here 1, 2, 3 carbons, so 3 3 is 9 hyperconjugations. So number of hyperconjugation structures increases, stability also increases. So always the stability of carbocations can be explained by the 2 factors, that is plus inductive effect, otherwise inductive effect, and also hyperconjugation. So always the methyl carbocation is less stable than primary, then after secondary, then after tertiary carbocations. Next to stability of free radicals. Stability of free radicals, if you see, stability of free radicals. Same in the place of plus, so just we should write a radical. So free radical stability can be explained by only hyperconjugation, but not by the inductive effect. So in the place of plus we can write a radical. Here also radical. Here also radical. Here also radical. So methyl radical, ethyl radical, isopropyl radical, and tertiary butyl radical. Otherwise, this is primary radical, secondary radical, and tertiary alkyl radicals. So here also same hyperconjugations increases, stability increases. So stability of free radicals is similar like carbocations. Stability of free radicals is similar to carbocations. Carbocation stability, free radical stability is similar. And next if you see, that is the stability of different carbocations. Stability of different carbocations. This is benzyl carbocation. Next this is allyl carbocation. This is tertiary, and you know that secondary carbocation and also primary carbocation, and methyl carbocation, and vinyl carbocation, and phenyl carbocation. So this is called benzyl carbocation. This is called allyl carbocation. You know that this is a tertiary butyl, otherwise a tertiary carbocation. This is a secondary carbocation. This is a primary carbocation. This is a methyl carbocation. So next this is vinyl carbocation. This is phenyl carbocation. This is also sometimes C6H5 plus, or sometimes even pH plus. Both are these three are similar type. They are phenyl carbocation. So if you see stability, so from left to right, if you going down, the stability decreases because here pi sigma positive mesomeric effect, due to mesomeric effect, and here also pi sigma positive mesomeric effect, and always benzyl carbocation is more stable than allyl carbocation. Why? Because here in there is a more number of resonance structures compared to allyl. Here is more number of resonance structures. So benzyl is more. If it is shift here positive, now it shift here positive. So resonance is stabilized by the due to more number of resonance structures. Carbocation fastly stabilized compared to allyl. So benzyl is more stable than allyl. Then after allyl, if you see tertiary, in this case tertiary carbocation stability we explained by using inductive effect and also hyperconjugation. Inductive effect or hyperconjugations. The always the carbocation primary, secondary, and tertiary carbocation stability explained by the hyperconjugation and inductive effect. So always the ability mesomeric effect is more influenced than after hyperconjugation, than after inductive effect. So if any species having mesomeric effect, it is more stabilized. So always benzyl more, then after allyl, then after tertiary, then after secondary, then after primary, then after methyl carbocations. And here is like this. other way I'm writing like. Next, if you see vinyl is most unstable because there is no resonance, lack of resonance, and compared to vinyl, the phenyl is most unstable, very unstable carbocations. So these are the stabilities of various carbocations.